All right, the equation is 2x squared is equal to x squared plus 1. What's the first thing that we do?
We're going to get 0 to one side.
We're going to get 0 on one side. So, you know, leave the 2x squared where it is. How do you get the x and the 1 over on the left-hand side?
Minus 1.
Yeah, take away 1.
What?
Take 1 away from the left. So what are you going to have over there? You'll have 2x squared minus 1 is equal to x. Now, do you have 0 on one side yet?
Nope.
Nope. So now what do you have to do?
It's x.
Got to take away x. And so write the left-hand side in decreasing degree order. So the squared term will come first, and then the x term, and then the constant equals. All right, good. So now you have 0 on one side. Now what do you do?
ABC, right?
Yeah, you do the factoring thing. We've got to factor 2x squared minus x minus 1. And there are lots of ways to do it. You can do this AC method. You could just do list and test. I mean, 2 is prime and you have a 1. It probably wouldn't be that hard to guess it. But we can do the AC method. A is just 2. That's right. A is 2. B is negative 1. And what's C? C is negative 1. So A times C is negative 2. Two numbers that multiply up to negative 2. So you're looking for a positive and a negative, and they have to add up to negative 1. Did you find?
A negative 2.
Negative 2 and positive 1. Very good. So you can rewrite that middle term as negative 2x.
Oh,
That's right. Negative 2x
oh.
plus x minus 1 equals 0. And then the nice thing about the AC method is you're always going to group 2 and 2. In general, sometimes you don't group 2 and 2, but with the AC method, it's 2 and 2, and it's nice you have addition there with the plus x, so we're not going to have to worry about a sign change when you group the second 2. So group the first 2, and then group the second pair. And because that's addition, that's going to be x minus 1 equals 0. And so what comes out of the first pair? A GCF of 2x. Good. There's a common x minus 1 there. Good.
Yeah, it's a 1.
Yeah, it's plus 1 times that. So it'll be the quantity of x minus 1 times the quantity of 2x plus 1. That product is 0. So the only way the product of two things can be 0 is one or both of the factors are 0. So when will x minus 1 be 0?
Equals. So this has to be 1.
It has to be 1. Good, that's mental math.
This has
And
to
when
be
will
1
2x plus 1
half.
be 0?
Negative 1 half.
Negative 1 half. It's a two-step operation. Subtract 1, divide by 2. So those are your two answers. I think you could have factored 2x squared minus x minus 1, probably with trial and error, just as quickly as, but the AC method works fine too. Very good.